Have you ever wondered about all those ingredients found in modern soaps and facial cleansers? Personally, I prefer to know what I'm putting on my body, which is why I like to use all natural products. One such product is a facial cleaner, using just 2 ingredients that I know and trust. Yes, all you need is coconut oil and baking soda for a fresh, clean face. All you need to do is mix a half a cup of coconut oil with a half a cup of baking soda. Not only is coconut oil a moisturizer, which leaves your skin feeling soft, but it also has antimicrobial properties that will kill the bacteria that creates pimples. And it is also an anti-inflammatory, which can alleviate the symptoms of eczema, psoriasis, and other skin conditions. So it's pretty good stuff. Baking soda is also an excellent face exfoliator, which is perfect for scrubbing away uneven dead skin cells and blackheads. Even using just baking soda alone, your face will feel so soft and clean. And so combined with coconut oil, it becomes a super facial. Mix it up until it's a nice gritty texture, and then you can just scrub your face like normal. You'll be amazed at how clean your face feels. In fact, you can use it anywhere on your body. So get to scrubbing your face and body clean today. I'm Jason Winningham, and this has been your Green Tip of the Week.